On November 20th, 2025, around 1:30 p.m., 77th Street Patrol Division uniformed officers responded to a radio call of an ADW suspect there now. As officers arrived at the scene and were directed by the air unit to Witsy's location. The officers observed Witsy to be holding a gun while standing in a front yard.
Hey, put the gun down! Put the gun down!
I was responding to the call.
Drop the gun!
76 and Silveron. Suspect behind the gold center.
Hey, drop the gun, man! Drop the gun! Put the gun down, man! Put the gun down!
The officers gave suspect multiple commands to drop the handgun, but he failed to comply with the directions. Then it happened.
Yeah, that's it. Put the gun down! Drop it! Hey, man! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Looks like he just dropped the handgun right next to him.
Keep getting on commands, bro.
Handgun's currently on the ground next to him. He's making lots of gestures, possibly under that blood.
Witsy was not struck by gunfire, but dropped the handgun onto the ground, then continued to not comply and retreated inside his residence.
Oh shit. This nigga's shooting at the fucking helicopter. Oh shit.
As additional officers arrived at the scene, officers fired multiple rounds from the 40mm less lethal launcher, striking the suspect. The suspect retreated into his residence and refused to surrender.
Yeah, pop one, yeah. 40 standby! 40 only! 40 only! 40 standby! Hey, 40 out! 40 standby! 40 standby! 40 standby!
The officers then recovered the handgun Witsy dropped in the front yard. After multiple failed attempts to successfully get Witsy to exit and peacefully surrender, notifications were made to Metropolitan Division Special Weapons and Tactics, also known as SWAT, as well as Metropolitan Division K-9, who responded and began formulating a plan to resolve the situation. Witsy was subsequently taken into custody without further incident. After being taken into custody, the officers discovered that Witsy had not been struck by gunfire, but had sustained visible injuries as a result of the canine contact.